Hi, to use portrait effects on Samsung Galaxy S25, first thing first, open your camera app and now swipe right to go in portrait mode. So after that, we can just simply point camera at object. And as you can see, object is in focus, but background is blurred. So this is what we were looking for. And now to find effects, tap this round icon. And here they are. This is blur. This is studio. This is high key mono, low key mono, backdrop, and color point. In each effect, you can adjust strength by just dragging the slider left to reduce it or right to add strength. So let's pick this backdrop, for example, and to actually take a photo, just tap camera shutter button, go back, and this is the result. And after you have selected effect, you would see it right here. So if you want to switch back to blur one, so to basic, just tap it again, swipe right, find this first icon, and use this back arrow to confirm changes. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.